Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this week I'm going to show you how I created these party favor bags for my son's birthday party. They only cost me about $5 to make, and I made about 20 of them, and it only took me 30 minutes to make them, so they're super cost efficient and super easy to make. So let's get started. So to get started, you want to download the templates below. So I have template 1 and 2, which have the pups on them, and then template 3 is just this sheet that has the doggy bag bone labels. So you're going to want to print those as well. And to make 20 party favors, you're going to want to print at least 20 of the pups. So I printed 3 copies of template 1, 2 copies of template 2, and then for the doggy bag sign, you're going to want to print at least 4 sheets of that. Next is just the easy part. You're going to cut out 20 of the badges of the pups and then 20 of the doggy bag labels as well. So when they're all cut out, this is how they look. I'm just showing you 10 here, but I did make 20 for the party. Next, I went to Dollar Tree and got these 2 packs of gift bags. I got one in red and one in yellow. They're pretty big, so they can fit a lot of toys and treats, and the best part is they come 10 in a pack, so they're super cost efficient. I only had to buy 2. So next, I just had to glue the Chase pup to the gift bag, but I didn't want to just glue it directly to the bag because it was looking a little dull. I wanted to give it a border just to brighten up the entire gift bag, so I gave it a border using blue cardstock paper. Now I had this cardstock paper left over from other projects, but you can easily buy a stack of I think colored paper at Dollar Tree if you don't have it at home, and just use that to create a border. But I already had this left over from other projects, so I just used that. So basically just glue the pup to the cardstock paper and then trace that out, like cut out a border of that, and then you're going to glue that to the gift bag. So next I opened up the bag just so it could stand up straight, and then I'm going to fold the top flap of the bag, and this is where I'm going to glue the doggy bag sign. Next, to keep the bag shut, I bought this pack of pins, and I'm just going to add one to the top just to keep make sure that all the treats and toys stay in the bag. So here I'm just going to show you how I did a few of the other gift bags. For Ryder and Marshall, I gave them both cream cardstock borders, and for Rubble I used baby blue, and then for Sky I used pink cardstock paper. So this next part is completely optional. I had these beads left over from another project. I purchased them at the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to add a little more color to the party bags, so you really don't need to do this if you don't want to, but if you want to, just go to the party section in sorry, not party section, the arts and crafts section at Dollar Tree, and you can pick up these beads, and I glued about 2 to 3 down on each of the bags. And that's it for the party favors. I think they turned out really cute for the cost and the time that it took me to make them. Like I said, it was only $5 to make 20 party favors, and it only took me 30 minutes to make these. But I did print them at home using my color printer at home, so if you have to go to Staples or somewhere like that to get the templates printed, then it is going to cost you a little bit more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you see all my latest tutorials, and I will see you guys next week, God willing. Bye!